Hello, in front of me I've got BYD SEAL U. In this video I'll show you all comfort features of this car. Let's start with the easy access. As you can see, this car has easy access function, but this has to be enabled in the car system to use it. Thanks to easy access, you can unlock the doors remotely. Now, let's take a look at the driver's doors. Thanks to this switch, you can open and close tailgate, and thanks to this, you can fold and unfold side rear view mirrors. The car is equipped with electric seats that also are ventilated and heated. Now take a look at the instrument cluster. Of course, this car is equipped with start-stop system. On the instrument cluster, we've got very intuitive indicators like range, electric battery, speed alert, control over climate control, and also we can check tire pressure. Now let's take a look in the center of the car. BYD SEAL U is equipped with two wireless charging trays, automatic gearbox, driving mode switch, and switch between EV and HEV. On the screen display, we can find multiple modes. Firstly, of course, seat control, saving seat position, seat massager is unfortunately not available in this car, but it has seat heating, seat ventilation, and steering wheel heating. Of course, there is AC and dual climate control. This car also can check outside temperature condition. And now let's go to settings. In settings, we can adjust ambient lights. This car is equipped with ambient lights with multiple colors. Also, it has daytime running light, intelligent high beam control, and courtesy lights. In locks, you can adjust tailgate opening height, manage windows and locks. The car is equipped with HUD and screen that can be rotated. Let's go to the next settings. In vehicle, you can save seat positions, manage intelligent assistants, driving control, comfort settings, and cabin perception. Now, let's go to system. Car is equipped with cellular data, Bluetooth, WLAN hotspot, and also Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. BYD SEAL U has inbuilt Google Maps and multiple apps like Spotify, as I said earlier, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and BYD Assistant, which is capable of controlling the car. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.